السلام علیکم، میرا نام رضوان صدیق ہے اور آج میں ٹائم مینجمنٹ پر بات کر رہا ہوں۔ میرے ساتھ کال اینی موجود ہیں۔ ہیلو اینی، ٹوڈے آئی وانٹ ٹو ڈسکس ہاؤ ٹو ماسٹر ٹائم مینجمنٹ ان ڈیلی لائف۔ کین یو ایکسپلین
Hi.
واٹ از دا ٹرو میننگ آف ٹائم مینجمنٹ؟
Yeah. Time management is basically how we plan and control the way we spend our hours so we can actually get the important stuff done without burning out. It's not just about being busy, it's about being intentional, deciding what deserves your time and what doesn't.
Okay. And why do
Yeah.
many people struggle to manage their life in daily time?
Yeah. Most folks aren't taught how to manage time. School focuses on what to learn, not how to structure your day. So people kind of wing it. Add to that constant distractions, phones, notifications, and plain old overwhelm. Plus, it's easy to say yes to too many things and then not have room for the stuff that really matters.
Okay. What are the biggest time wasters that stop us from being productive?
The big culprits are usually distractions like social media, endless scrolling, random notifications, and multitasking, which usually just dilutes focus. Another sneaky one is not setting clear boundaries,
Okay.
like saying yes to every request, which eats up time fast. Oh, and poor planning. That one sneaks in when you don't map your day, so everything feels urgent.
Okay. Next question. Sometimes we have too many tasks. How can we identify which task is the most important?
Great question. A simple rule is to ask, what happens if I don't do this today? If the consequence is big, like missing the deadline or letting someone down, that goes higher on the list. Also, focus on tasks that move you toward your longer term goals, not just what's loudest.
Okay. Can you?
That way, yes, one easy method is the ABC system. Label must do tasks A, nice to do B, and if possible, C.
Okay.
Ta-
Can you explain how the Eisenhower matrix works?
hmm. Checking. Sure, the Eisenhower matrix sorts tasks into 4 boxes: important and urgent, important but not urgent, urgent but not important, and neither urgent nor important. So you do the important and urgent ones first. Schedule the important but not urgent. Delegate the urgent but not important. And try to eliminate the rest. It keeps you from being dragged around by random urgency and keeps you focused on what matters.
Okay. How can we prioritize our tasks if everything seems urgent?
Hmm. Checking. When everything seems urgent, slow down and ask a few questions. What has the biggest consequence if it's delayed? Which deadline is real and close? Which task, if done, actually moves the needle for your goals? If something can be delegated, delayed, or broken up, then it's not all the top priority. Sometimes it's about picking just one most important thing, then giving it focus time like 30 minutes of real attention before anything else. Then move to the next. It's less about doing everything, more about doing the right thing.
Can you give me an example of this?
Sure. Say today you have a work report due, plus some emails to reply to, and also a meeting to prep for next week. The report is important and urgent. Do that first.
Okay. Social media is a big distraction. How can a person stay focused?
Hmm. Checking. A few practical tricks help a lot. Turn off non essential notifications, keep your phone out of reach while working, and set specific short check in windows. You can use methods like the Pomodoro technique, 25 minutes focused, 5 minutes break. And be very clear with yourself about the goal before you start. That makes saying just one more scroll easier to resist.
I see that makes sense.
Good. Glad that clicks. If you want, tell me what your day usually looks like and we'll sketch a simple plan that fits.
Okay. And next question: what is the Pomodoro technique and how can we use it?
Looking that up. The Pomodoro technique's simple. Pick one task, set a timer for 25 minutes, focus only on that, then take a 5-minute break. Repeat 4 times, then take a longer break, around 15 to 30 minutes. Use it for study or work sprints, like 25 minutes of studying math without distractions, then a short break. It works because short focus bursts are easier to sustain, and the breaks prevent mental fatigue.
Can you explain in more detail?
Checking. Sure. Pick one specific task, set a 25-minute timer, work only on that. When it rings, take a 5-minute break. Do 4 rounds, then take a longer 15 to 30-minute break. It works great for studying or office work because you know a break is built in, which helps keep focus sharp without burning out.
Okay. Next question: some people work late at night. Is it good for time management, or should we sleep early?
Checking. Good question, but no one size fits all. If you're naturally sharper at night and your schedule allows it, evening work can be fine. But aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep and keep a consistent routine.
Okay. Uh,
Yeah.
how can we create a daily schedule that include time for work, family, and exercise?
Checking. A simple balanced schedule could be mornings for focused work or study, afternoons for continued work, and a proper lunch break. Evenings reserved for exercise, say 30 minutes, and night for family time and winding down. Adjust the times as needed, but keep all 3 pillars in the plan. Work.
Okay, next question. What should we do if an expected task runs our whole schedule?
Checking. Don't panic. Ask if it must be done right now. If yes, do it first, then renegotiate the rest. Shift non essentials to tomorrow. Protect at least one small block of self care if you can, and build a little buffer time each day so surprises don't wreck everything. The goal is flexible progress, not a perfect plan.
I see that makes sense.
Good.
Next question. It is important to learn how to say no to other to save time.
Checking. Yes, saying no is a big time management skill. It protects space for what's truly important. Saying no doesn't have to be rude, it's being clear. Like, I'd love to help, but I can't today. Or, I can help after my exam. That way, you honor your priorities without burning out or cluttering your schedule.
Okay, thank you so much,
Mm,
Annie. This was a very helpful discussion. I have learned a lot.
I'm glad.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.
جی تو ناظرین، یہ تھی میری مینجمنٹ ٹائم، ایک میری ٹائم مینجمنٹ پر گفتگو۔ میں نے سیکھا کہ منصوبہ بندی کتنا ضروری ہے۔ آپ بھی اس ٹپس پر عمل کریں۔ شکریہ، اللہ حافظ۔